In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Yahoo homepage back to the classic view, and we're going to do it in just about 5 minutes. If you've been feeling nostalgic for that simpler classic view or just prefer its streamlined interface, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step of the process. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to Yahoo's login page. Once you're there, it will prompt you to type in your Yahoo email address. This is an essential step to access your account settings, so make sure you enter the email address associated with your Yahoo account. After you've correctly typed in your email, go ahead and click on the Next button. It will lead you to the password entry page. Now enter your password. Be sure to type this in carefully. It's important to get it right to securely access your account. Once you've entered your password, again click on Next. This will take you to your Yahoo Mail interface. If you've done these steps correctly, you should find yourself in your Yahoo inbox. Now, look towards the top right corner of the page. You're looking for the settings icon. It usually resembles a small gear or cog. This icon is your gateway to customizing your viewing preferences, so find it and give it a click. Once the drop-down menu appears after clicking on settings, select the option labelled More Settings. This will open up a new page with a variety of choices you can adjust, tailored to how you want your Yahoo Mail experience to be. Keep an eye out for the option that says Switch to Basic Mail. Click on this option and you'll be led to a confirmation page. Here, you'll find a button that says Switch to Basic Mail. Clicking this button will complete the transition. It won't take more than a moment, and just like that, Yahoo will adjust your homepage back to the classic view, just like the good old days. And there you have it. You should now be viewing Yahoo in its basic or classic format, featuring the simplified, no-frills layout that so many people have come to appreciate over the years. Remember, this change is all about personal preference, so feel free to explore and adjust as necessary to find the setup that works best for you. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you back to the classic Yahoo view that you know and love. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. I'm here to help, and happy browsing with your newly set up Yahoo homepage.